Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Ultra-X Omen knife here with me. I have zero experience with this brand, but it was pretty cheap, and I thought, yeah, why not? Since you guys requested me to shoot some cheaper knives, I just got a bunch, and you even get an unboxing right over here. So this is how this guy is presenting itself right out of the box. So very thick handle, I have to say. We're gonna do a review of this later. Action is right out of the box. It's actually, it's very nice. I mean, it's not the lightest, it's pretty thick, and the action is pretty good. There's a little bit of blade play, that is why it's so good. So let's see if we can fix this. All right, so here we're gonna need just a flathead screwdriver, and for that we can use, for example, this Leatherman right over here. I think this will just be fine. Let's see. Yeah. So this looks like it's not spinning. And this side, yeah. So just be very careful because you don't want to mar this screw. So it's not a spinning pivot, which is already very good. So very gently unscrew this one, like so. Yeah, let's see if we can use, yeah, beautiful. And this is out. This is gonna be a T6, I think. Yeah, very nice. It is not spinning, so it's good. And the second one, also not spinning, very good. And it's out. And the whole knife just comes apart very nicely. This is the blade. Nice. It's completely dry, basically. Yeah, it's pretty dry. Let's use one of these alcohol swab to just clean it. But I mean, this is brand new. I like the finish, actually, of like stone washed liners. And these liners, are they glued in? Oh no. Oh, they're just a bunch of something. Look at the color of this. Wow, this is not good. Can't be good, right, guys? No, not good. Not impressed with this substance. I should probably use my gloves. Oh wow, look at this. Look at this stuff coming off of this liner, guys. Yeah, let me use another one. These guys. It doesn't look nice. I mean, that's okay. So there was definitely something on, because now this is clean. So definitely some green is coming off of these scales. Yeah, let's also do here. Oh, they use stainless steel inserts for the blade. Very interesting. That's your stop pin. Keyed in pivot. That's very good. I mean, on a budget knife, this guy was around 30 bucks, $25. So pretty inexpensive, I have to say, but already some interesting features. So this guy we can clean also on the inside because there's some gunk. So stainless steel bearings, pretty small size, but that's what you get. There is a little bit of rust or something already around the pivot area, which I just cleaned. And you know what? I kind of feel a little bit lazy. I'm not gonna take this liner off because I feel it's just doing fine. All right. So for this guy, we're gonna use some nano oil. I'll use a 10 weight. That's 85. Let's do the 10 like this. So just a little bit around here. And this is in. And then we can do a little bit around this insert, like so. And around that as well. And this goes in. And then we're gonna do liners like that. Scales are pretty thick, guys. And like so. D6 is in. And 1. And 2 in. We're gonna do a final tightening later. And we're gonna need a T8 for this. Oh no, sorry. No T8 for this. We're gonna just need a little bit of blue Loctite, just a little bit like that. So this goes in place, and then we can use the trusty Leatherman. So this is gonna be in, okay. Check that everything is aligned. Alrighty, and then just take your time, because when you have this flathead screwdriver, you risk to be marring the whole thing. Okay, so check for blade play. There is a little bit, so this guy needs to be tightened down a little bit more. All right, and then let's just make sure that these screws are also tightened. That's very good. And let's also do this side. Just be careful not to strip the screws. You just feel it, don't over tighten these guys. Blade, it is pretty centered to me. Okay, let's do also a little bit of do 85 weight nano oil just here, just a little drop right there on the detent ball, and then just rub the detent ball up against the tang like that, and see how this guy feels. So just like that, let's check it out. This can go. Actually, guys, this is a, I mean, this is a $20 knife, $30 knife, and it has a very decent action, I have to say. Lockup is 20%, blade is centered, flips reliably, and it's smooth. So I think we improved it a little bit because there's no blade play. Exactly. And this is how you clean, maintain, and perfect the Ultra-X Omen. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.